Me still ask you, me a liar to be a liar labor right girl. Tell me what time come for. Me still sitting here so wait for you, know. What does time come for? Time come for no, time come for no go freeze back public sector wages for a 7 year again. Eh? Time come for no have people work for what? For what? That I mean not see for minimum wage. At least we have at least people are work for minimum wage, you know. You see me? In a under labor right. In a PNP time a mini wage. Mini wage. Mini wage people used to work for. We upgraded to minimum wage. PNP time it was mini wage. So what time come for? Eh? Time come for your teacher, them and the police, them and them can't get no raise. Eh? Time come for ungo for what? You want to tell me what time come for your brother? Time come for you picking them for go back to New Chibon and Mula and walk barefoot to school. Eh? What time come for? No come in. Come over here so come tell me what time come for. Come, PNP, me a wait for you know. What time come for? Time come for Angela Brown go taxi and cart man them again. Eh? Time come for you have to pay tax for drive and cart in a Kingston in market. Time come for what? No come. Labor right to no tap and share. Make them come tell me what time come for. We no come over here today. We want to know what time comes mean. Because I don't think me know what time coming up. I tell you what time come for. Time come though. Time come. Keep people suffering like. Oh, you say corruption? Come on. I'm glad your time come for what? Listen. Time come for Andrew corruption. You mean time come for we go back in a corruption a week? Time come for we go back in a corruption a week. Hey, listen this. If you don't say Andrew Holness is a corruption, PNP party a post. Corruption a week. The Cuban then come to Jamaica and say, the Jamaica government them, the PNP them wicked to Jamaicans. You see me? Because the bulb them what them have in our country. You see me? The bulb them, those bulbs what we used to use back then. If you don't understand, because I found the PNP, we don't teach you, pitney them and them not understand. And the pitney them never have sense on them a little bit. You see me? The Cuban them come over me yard and them take out the bulb them. You see me? And them say them bulb there, they are not energy efficient. I never understand what they mean. But them say that too, we say it's not energy efficient. Okay? So them bring in and them introduce the thing they bought them in a Jamaica. You see me? So them come on me and take out the whole of the boat them, dash with them, and them give the boat them and them left some whole heap with way. You see me I show you? Bamsi now. Me frightened. Couple months after that, we hear say the boat them tap give away. Cause guess what now? Big up yourself, mama. My name King Corruption Palwell. King Corruption Palwell. Go farm one company. You see the said boat them where Cuban then give away. Give them, give away people them free in Jamaica. I say let's start sell we about them. What me say then though? Sell we about them. So not talk about corruption. Eh? You don't know about corruption, talk about corruption. Brother, when it comes to corruption, that's why Jamaica stays, brother. That's why Jamaica did the way there. You hear me tell you no? You say me a shake come and see. Hold on no? Used car scandal. You know how we go again? How much scandal? Out of many scandal. PG Aisha return scandal. Portia Simpson NHT scandal. How much, brother? A garbage bag PNP walking when it comes to scandal, brother. So when you come and talk about scandal and about corruption, We're not going to talk about corruption. 30 million of chicken feed. 30 million of chicken feed, brother. That's how you need taxpayers' money. I see the money that. When you come and Finsack, 44,000 business. The history of the mother of all history of corruption and scandal and wickedness in Jamaica. Finsack, 44,000 business. People jump off a rooftop, people hang themselves. People mad. People insane. People still walk up and down sick right now. What am I going to tell you, say? You can't trick me, you know. No, I forgot trick some little boy who don't know nothing, you know, who just walk up and down and go like that, no sense, you know. The Shell wave a scandal. Out of many scandal. How much more? What name? You want a PG come on a boss board, but operation now have no pride scandal. Who mount a scandal? You know nothing about scandal. PNP a post. You hear me telling a post, one big boy. Nobody feel like them a bump. So we not talk about scandal and corruption. Eh? How much sugar scandal? Yo, we can go on and on and on, you know. You hear me telling you? And when it come to bad divestment, PNP, JPS, bad divestment, backside, bad divestment, cement factory right now, bad divestment. Right now, cement factory, one factory, one company from Trinidad still own with 43% major shares what we did have in a cement factory. With 43% major shares. PJ Patterson sold them that. Backside, same way PJ Patterson sold with major shares in a backside. Wanna come on a chat, say, bro? I wanna chat to. Eh? No, I wanna come on a talk. Portia seems to come in. She take away all I beach them. Remember saying Portia come in and PNP never done with we, you know. After all of that, you know. Portia can take away all I beach them, you know. Remember say Portia seems to come take away most of I beach them, you know. And privatize the beach them, you know, brother. Not for I beach them where you're so free. Remember say Portia seems to come privatize them and I couldn't have to pay for going on if I beach them, you know, boy. I'm too, no. So when it comes on I can talk about this and, yo, brother, listen. Try for trick uneducated. Yeah, don't try to trick people with your brain. I'm telling you, you know, say you don't have to be a rocket scientist. You just want to carry read. You tell you just want a little education in your head. In a Jamaica or in a world and nobody can trick you. But sometimes you go like you're baffled. People are going to take you and turn you in an idiot. Yeah, if you're too funky, people are going to make you feel, them are going to say you're too funky. And anything with them tell you, it your tech. Yeah, man, Mr. JPS, man. JPS are the worst deal ever. Are the worst deal ever. The one of the wickedest deal that where government could have do to the nation, where King Corruption Parallel and PJ do with JPS. You me tell you some people need to go read because them feel like them uncle can read text when time somebody say they want text or get voice note. Yo, here, when you go dig up in our history and come back. You see it? Go take up on the phone. It start from Michael. Michael, man, they get 157 million. Mr. Take up on the phone, you know. Because when we are talking, anything when we talk, you can go Google it and look for it. You know. Michael, man, they get $157 million in a net reserve. You me tell them, by 6 months time, Michael, man, they tear down the net reserve to negative $600 million. And by a year and a half, Jamaica broke. Jamaica broke. Go ask all the people them follow me, I tell. Or Google it and see. People have to buy pad for buy 1 pound of flour. People, if you got a shop and you want some hile, you have to buy sitting for buy hile. Go check the facts and go come back and see. On a PNP. So when you come here, I can tell people this and tell people that PNP is not good for Jamaica. You me telling you? When people educate themselves and sit down, and you can, just like how you can go check back from the Arawaks them and the Maroons them and the mayors. Because enough people of them love talk like I uncle. Me I show you. That's how everything going on. You know. When I work up people in and me and them start debate, whether it be an history of anything, me always mash them up. You know. You see me kind of them big up yourself, my mother Miss G. Them always come tell me about like Jamaica start from. It was only the English and the Arawaks them alone upon Jamaica. Come on. Them don't know about it. Them don't know about the red people them when near the mayors them. We come from Nunga Senti. You know them red people there with them eye. Them don't know about the Amerindians them. You see me? So you can't say, yo, me dig deeper than only in everything. Say so now come, and I have to come deep. Just like how some people are going to tell me about a Sierra bring gun coming. Gun there from the English them, ram and fire. You me telling you? They said a compound town and Maroons them. When I see them a carry past stage, them wicked Maroon there. Them they set a Maroon there where they down there so. Them boy they used to run down four parents them and catch them. And carry them go give English them. Yesterday, I'm telling you this, because enough people not telling you, you know. You see them Maroon there where you see come up on stage and I talk about what name? You look a fish Maroon leader boy, you see you? You have. Fear tribe them. Fear tribe and a nanny tribe in a boy. Fear tribe them and a nanny tribe, you know. You come from the tribe them who used to run with them and catch we, you know, and sell we back to slave, you know. You hear? Oh no. If you have no talk in a Jamaica democracy, because no wicked to for we ancestors them here, boy. But guess what? I know only for people sit down. Yeah, That boy they when you curry fish away you want him. Him, film tribe them. More people go sit down and dig up and look into this and see where them tribe come from. Film tribe and nanny tribe. Yeah, me tell you, any other Maroons that was not nanny tribe. You know, so those Maroons were the Maroons were they. Them the Maroons they sell out black people long time. And them boy they used to them sign treaty with the English them. If you catch 4 people them and sell them back. You me tell you no? And nanny, if I know nanny, we not in a no Maroon. Nanny was the hunger Maroon when I sell slave. Now, when you get off from the slave master them, nanny them take you and them take care of you and them put you over for your side. For them church, for them child them sign treaty with the English them to come catch you. And that's why that boy they run down Mark Golding. You see me? Him, that's why I'm going to run down Mark Golding. Because for him ancestor, because him have it in him, you know, for him ancestors them, you know, was the ancestors them, you know, we sign treaty with Mark Golding ancestors, you know. So let's say it's a link up. You see me I show you, it's a link up, you know. And the 2 wicked ancestors them link up, you know. You see me? For we sell out and for him come from the sell out black people ancestors. And Mark Golding come from the buy and black people ancestors and sell black people. So you see the link up? The 2 of them don't have a link because the 2 of them are sell out, brother. Them wicked to few ancestors. You hear me telling you? Yeah, man, a history, man, but no people not dig so deep in it. Them not see them come up on about the Maroon, them a support people. Ooh, them they I wish Maroon them. Them the Maroon enough for the on Jamaican soil. You hear me telling you? Them the Maroon that should have shipped out of Jamaica a long time like the British them. Because them the Maroon they wicked to our ancestors just like the British them. You hear me telling you? So when time I see them I come jump up and I come talk, brother. Listen, choose Jamaica, brother. You hear? Jamaica is that we have history. And we have history in so many ways. But people just sit down and just tell up from half of the top of the surface, brother. You see, beyond the surface, for always I look beyond the surface, brother, and sit down and use the brain. You see me? The best time, brother. If you sit down and go back in it, you know, you see the most monumental building, most of the factory them, most of these things in Jamaica was made underneath Labour Right Party, a Labour Right build the country, brother. You hear me tell you? I not say them not come and add on some little things to it. But most of the things in Jamaica, National Stadium, National Arena, most of them big hospital, you see me I show you, the backside, most of them things was introduced to Jamaica underneath Labour Right government. Most of the school them Sir Edward Allen, go check it. Most of the school them different from the local school them where the Cuban them donate to Jamaica. They were built underneath Sir Edward Allen. You see me? Our Buster, our Siaga. So only just look most of the hospital them. Just check it. Jamaica was built by Jamaica Labour Party. And I just the facts. And me always hear me say, fear be fear. Them build some little things. But watch out, trick to it. Like PG built Highway 2000. But it wasn't for Jamaica. You see me? It never built in intention for we benefit, you know. Because how long we take before we benefit our fight. You see me? How long we take, them love talk about PG built Highway 2000. Yes. But the country no benefit our fight immediately. It take 30, 40, 45 years, 35 years before the country benefit our fight. You see me I show you? So what kind of history them I go talk about? What kind of history is there for say PG parties now come jump say him do this and him do that? Yes, Highway 2000. How long it take? You see me? Them build, put more people, boom. Causeway, pay for go on the yard. Pay for go home. How can somebody get up and pay for go home? And the people them still say, Fish Jackson. He was there. Remember say, 35 years, you know, you can't tell me say he never did it and he couldn't stand up for me, you know. You see me? You can't say he couldn't stand up for me and say, yo, here we go on. Remember say, uno claims to say, you know, the PNP, them claims to say, Portmore a PNP stronghold, a PNP country that. You see how them wicked to Uno who choose PNP? They make uno pay for go on the yard. You hear me telling you? Them say, all right, there's one way we have to put a road over the causeway, uno have to pay for go over there. You see me I show you what benefit does PG and him highway road them they do for uno still have to pay. it wasn't something that beneficial to you. So, you see me, Ashwana? I don't say no highway free. You still, you see it? You see, you still come and say, all right, may I say this to you? You official, I'm not call you that one, official, listen me I say to you. All right, watch out. You know, say, the PNP government said they're not going to build the road to St. Thomas, but what them say? Under one condition. Tell me the condition what them say. Tell me the condition what them say. That more for ask you, because since you in Jamaica, enough of you know everything. Tell me what PNP say if them are going to build the highway to St. Thomas. What the people them have to go do? Toll! You have to pay for your yard. So tell me now. People are paid for the toll for St. Thomas. Is there at all? Is there at all on the road that on the highway that And that more to the do if you get up and go so boom and see the difference. Because if the PNP build the road go out there, you'll have people them not going to pay for garden yard just like people at Portmore. You hear that? Because that was one of them said the hunger way them are going to do it, you have to pay. You have to go pay. So how comes you going to come ask me a question like that? Chip in your brain, man. You hear me tell you? Make every side of your brain work when you come over here, and you can't have one-sided brain. All your forehead of your work to when you come over here. Don't come with a look at that question and feel like a fool you come to here. The facts still remain. The people, phone people them not love honor. You see me? And the thing them honor boast about say them do, it's still not beneficial to no for we. It's not beneficial to we. Because I said the highway we build, the highway 2001 and boast about PG. A foreign, remember say a foreign people want it. I hear the tech and them that raise the toll as them feel like pan we. You say the toll raise gets own cost, the government. 100 Holness make the toll raise every minute. 100 Holness. Remember say it's not Jamaica highway. I don't remember that. When it's that bill, I want to jump up and say PG bill highway for Jamaica. Yes, PG bill toll road. I don't never understand. You never understand the tricks to it. You just say yes, road I got bill. But when time the toll raise on a ball, when the toll raise on a ball and cost Andrew Holness, no. But you not jump for joy and I say yes, PG. But you never know the tricks to the road. You have pros and you have cons here. So that are the cons to it. You hear me telling you? It's not like, watch out. I'll show you a thing now. It's the difference with most of them highway where Andrew Holness are building in Jamaica now. Watch out the difference. Jamaica have something to do with it. You see me like the highway where from Mandeville, from Maypen to Mandeville, that piece of road. You know say a taxpayers, Jamaica money build that. And a borrow the money. It wasn't no investor from foreign come and say, yo, we are gonna build one highway or so. And then we use it, we control it for 30 years, and after the 30 years we donate it to the government of Jamaica. No. You hear me telling you? Hold on, my team. Let me sort out that thing. Oh, this is up. Hold on, I set up the puzzle upon this, but I don't know it stays so. Never seen the puzzle like this before. What shit? Choose which subject. Oh. No, sir, what is up? Hey, I don't know what this. What's that? Hey, my life get freaky. Like me, I forgot to start over about the live, you know, because I think this thing is not working right. Which I have to update. Okay, guitar. Shit. Hey, may I restart my live, you know? I restart my live. So, give me a minute, may I restart the live. Don't jump. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. I think something go wrong. I think may have some band on the live, so it nah